A+ Moving Group offers local and long-distance moves throughout the USA. We are one of the leading and most reputable relocation services in the area, trusted by hundreds of customers. While we're in the midst of unprecedented and challenging times, we want to assure you that A+ Moving is well-positioned to meet the evolving needs of our clients. Our primary focus continues to be decreasing the spread of COVID-19 and lowering the impact on our customers, drivers, and crews. As industry leaders, we were prepared with the technology and infrastructure to convert all customers to virtual surveys, allowing us to estimate shipment size without direct personal contact, ensuring peace of mind for all those involved. We have also established new operational best practices based on WHO and CDC guidelines as we continue to conduct our essential services. We are also very well aware of the economic impact this pandemic has had across all industries, and we continue to be flexible while working with our clients to ensure your future success. As restrictions are lifted, we will continue to respond in new and flexible ways while providing the exceptional services you've come to expect. We thank you for allowing us to serve you. When you're ready, we'll be here to help.